Hi, today we learn another very interesting option with Photoshop, auto blend two layers. So let's learn how do we auto blend two layers. Basically, auto blend means combining images with smooth transition into one final composite layer. Auto blend is only available with RGB or grayscale images. How do you go about it? You copy two layers, images in one layer in one document, and then you go to edit and auto blend layers. The effect that you'll see will be amazing. So let's go forward and see the auto blend feature with Photoshop. Let's dive in Photoshop. The auto blend layer can actually let us bring two layers together, just cutting away the extra whites and the blacks and bringing them together and applying masking. And let us see how that I can bring away two layers together and just quickly give you how it can happen, and they're going to blend together. It's very powerful when you have two layers on a and you want to bring them in a blended form of way that link together as one whole image. So I have this one image and this is another image, and what I want is to bring this model, this man, over that image. I'm going to do Control A and Control C. Come back to my old image. I'm going to create a new layer, Control Shift N, OK, or go here and have a new layer. And I'm going to do Control V that I've pasted on a separate layer. Now my idea is to blend these two layers so that they appear as one. So my idea is to get away this white so that this part is blended, this man is blended with my new image. I'm going to just double click here on my layer and have this layer style open, and this option here, blend if gray. So I have an option of red, green, and blue and gray. So actually this auto blend mode only works with the RGB mode and the grayscale mode. So right now my idea is to get this on this layer to remove the white part, and I'm just quickly doing it. So can you see? So if I'm gonna just keep it till here, as I don't want my part, his shirt going away, because that's also gray. And over this part I can quickly use my eraser tool, and the eraser tool for the rest of it I can quickly use my eraser tool and just quickly rub it over. So I'm quickly gonna rub it over as and I have. So simple. So instead of going and selecting my quick selection tool and my pen tool and spending hours and having a selection, I can just use the auto blend mode and blend two layers together so that they appear to be one blended mode.